I'll just hold it so you get up.
Getting ready. Getting ready. And then he's going to have to run like Forrest Gump. That's what he calls it. Run, Forrest, run! Arm of the couch, don't fall off. Run, Forrest, run! Gold key, little one, get you in the door. Gold key, little one. Oh, Tommy Joe, you make me nervous. You know, you are old, Tom. I'm like, oh my God. This couch will be worth it. Hey, don't knock over my cocktail. I just made me one. It's my last Dr. Diet Root Beer, you know. God knows I wouldn't. You know.
Before you guys start, throw the keys down. In case I gotta get up for the help.
Good call. Good call.
Just throw them in the grass. I don't get them.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm staying back here. Ready, set, go, guys, go. Are you all right? Are you all right? Oh, my God. Holy criminy. Oh, good call, guys. Good call. Oh, my God. Yay! I hope my picture turned out good. Hey! Success! Yay! Come on, guys! Go for it! You did good! You did good! I'm proud of you! Yes! Unbelievable.
When somebody takes the show, now we gotta go over the belt.
I'll call you guys for my next move. They're good. They're good. I'm very excited to have my couch. Thank you.